a lunatic, and we have lunatics who are running our cities. You have that exposes so many things. They would rather have their city fall apart. They'd rather have it overrun by people who are not citizens. They don't care about the safety of their particular citizens. It's all a political show, and that guy is a disgrace. And I think you see that. I mean, you
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. And today I want to talk about another lunatic, and that's Alicia Keys. She has put a video out on Instagram and other platforms saying women do not have equal rights to men in the United States and something needs to change. Now, of course, Rob Schneider sees this and he decides to make a post. And I gotta say, I 100% agree with what he has to say in this post. But first, I want to show you the video that Alicia Keys put out.
Did you know that it's been 100 years since the Equal Rights Amendment was first introduced? And now, still, women don't have an explicit guarantee to equal rights under the U.S. Constitution. Can you believe that? I couldn't even believe that was real. I mean, women are not asking for special rights, just equal rights. Let's turn outrage into authorship. If it's the 250th celebration of the country, isn't it time to update some things? What rights or guarantees do you feel all women should have in America? It's a good question. I'm not here to speak for you. I just want to pass you the mic. So have your say at peoplesbillofrights250.org. Not red, not blue, just you. Wow. Sending you big love.
I don't know about you guys, but she seems like a deep thinker to me. Before I get into the Rob Schneider and his comment and what he had to say in his post on Twitter, first I need you to hit that like button, comment, and share this out to everybody. I really appreciate it, and it pushes the video. Okay, now let's go ahead and get this comment from Rob Schneider that he posted on X. Here we go. Dear Alicia Keys, name one right that women don't have in America. I'll wait. Please know that women are free to join men working on offshore rigs, on deep sea crabbing and fishing vessels, logging trees with gigantic chainsaws, underwater welding for bridges construction, and underground mining. You and pretty lady friends can also collect garbage and recycle at 6 in the morning. And when you're done with that, you girls are welcome to risk your lives restoring electricity on high power lines. These rights are waiting for you, but you gals won't do it because you need men to do it, because that is what men do. Risk their lives day in and day out so you lovely girls can just pretend that all those things magically take care of themselves while you bitch and moan about perceived injustices and lack of rights. So you go, girl. Enjoy your electricity and your roads being repaired and your garbage being magically picked up every Tuesday morning and your fancy vegetables and grass-fed steaks trucked into your grocery store at 5 in the morning while you have Vietnamese lady painting your toenails. You can call it toxic masculinity, but you would cry your lovely fake eyelashes off when your air condition breaks down for more than 3 hours. You're welcome. Yours truly, men. That is absolutely great. I completely agree with Rob Schneider. I don't even need to add any more to that. But he's right in everything he said. Look, there's no difference between a man and a woman when it comes to rights in the United States. Any woman that actually believes this, they're being propagandized while they're in school and by the media. And the fact is, they have the same rights as a man does in the United States. Anywhere else around the world, if you compare a woman and man's rights, like if you go to Africa or if you go to, let's say, Middle East, women have hardly any rights there. The thing is, for a woman to have rights in majority of countries, they need to go to the West. That means Europe, United States, some places also in Asia. But generally, the rest of the world, they don't have any. That's a fact. And the media and also the propaganda going into these schools don't tell the truth about all that. But guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please hit that like button, comment, and share this out to everybody.